Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will create a filter to update the record within the database. In the previous tutorial, we have created the JSON result to receive the data from the AJAX call. So here we have store procedure and here is the filter. So we have open it. Okay, let's copy else if begin and else if it is update, then we need to update this table. Set we need to set name is equal name, where PC ID is equal ID, and we have to define this ID here as int. Okay, filter ID. Okay, now execute this. Okay, we will say, okay, we need to use comma here, and now execute, and it's done. Okay, now execute the whole application and once test the scenario. When I will click on edit, it will change into the dynamic input box. I will write something and click save, and it will send the record to the controller action, and that will be processed within the store procedure and update the record. So we have already updated the record in the front end, and now we are going to update the record in the back end along with database. So it's loading data. Okay, we have exception here. Oops, expecting parameter which was not supplied. Okay, here he is accepting the data. Oh yes, if begin and else if begin and completed, continue and refresh once again. Okay, yes, we did not make it null, and that's why it is asking for this. Continue, refresh once again, and it is executed. YouTube channel and click save. Here we have record YouTube channel in the one. Process this, it is done, and now let's see the database. In the get, we have changed the name but not the SEO URL, and in the front end you can also see we have changed the name here too. In the next tutorial, we will create the action listener in the front end to delete this record. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.